I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to remove the harness on your Nook high chair. So we have our harness on here, and what you want to do first is to loosen the straps as much as you can to give yourself the slack that you need to remove them. So I've loosened the waist and the shoulders. Turn this around. So the first thing you're going to want to do is unzip the back. And I'm going to tuck these under. So the first thing to remove the harness is you're going to want to remove these top shoulder ones first. And you're going to want to take it through this plastic right here first. So I got that out of there. And then this one. There you go. Then you can take it out of the seat. Like so. Okay. You got the shoulder straps off, and now you're going to go for the waist straps. And this is where it gets a little tricky, but it's definitely doable. And down here, remember you needed that slack, you're going to want to push some of that fabric of this strap through this D-ring. And if you see on this D-ring, there's a little slit right there. So we're going to want to get this fabric through this slit, super easy, just like that. Okay, that's the first step. Second step is then to pull this D-ring until you get it out. Then on this silver ring, there's another slit. So this is connected to the frame. So it's a little tight, but it can be done. You're just going to work that fabric through that slit. There you go. And it's removed. Okay, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And that's how you remove your harness.